Coastal flood advisory still up the coast. We had a report of a high tide of Fort Pulaski at 9.95 feet. Some minor flooding on Highway 80. So if you're driving up to the islands, make sure that you are safe and secure. Right now, currently, it's cooling off, 80 degrees. You can still see the stars out there. Not a lot of cloud cover. Winds out of the east at 6 miles per hour. Dew point in the upper 60s. So it still feels like the low to mid 80s. It's dry out there. You don't see a lot of scans where there's not a lot of action on the radar around here this time of the year, but comfortable night for those who are out and about. Should be cooling off to the low 70s and upper 60s. Current temperature right now, 81 Hilton Head, 80 in Savannah, Vidalia, 77, some upper 80s still in the southwestern part of the map here, southwest Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama. For us, it's cooling off and a little bit colder up into the mid 60s as you progress farther up the coast. So right now, currently the next few days, we are dealing with below average temperatures up until Friday and Saturday. Again, the average is 92 degrees. There's a warm up Sunday into Monday with the heat index values projected to be near 100 starting off the work week next week. Big story though is storms I'm tracking tomorrow night into Friday, but tomorrow still should be a great day out there. The pick of the week, as I like to say, sunshine throughout most of the day, an isolated storm in the afternoon and evening. Again, don't cancel any sort of plans, but keep an eye on the sky. When thunder roars, make sure to head indoors. So it's going to be sunshine in the morning tomorrow. You're going to see some clouds and showers build along the I-95 corridor. Then some storms start to move in with some pretty moderate rainfall. Again, this is Friday at 2 in the morning. So as you progress throughout the day, you're going to be seeing into your Friday that the potential for some flash flooding isn't out of the mix. Tomorrow, upper 90s and hundreds out here in parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and the southern plains. They've been dealing with the heat for a while now, but for us, enjoy the 80s and sunshine, some storms in northern parts of Georgia and the Carolinas out there. So here's the big picture, the storms that I'm concerned about. Early Friday morning for that early commute around 5 a.m. or so, you could be seeing pockets of very, very, very heavy rainfall, which could produce some localized flooding out there. You're going to get a break from the rain in the early afternoon hours, and then a lot of convection and instability happens, which means some stronger storms will form into the evening. So two big rounds of storms, again, a few showers here and there before your Saturday morning. But in total, you have the chance for excessive flooding out there, which could cause up to 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, and rounds of inches of rainfall could produce the flooding. That means places that could get 3 to 4 inches of rain could see 2 inches early Friday morning, 2 inches later on in the day, and that's not good for the drainage systems and storms. So widespread over an inch isn't out of the question heading off into the weekend. Besides that, though, it should be nice on your Saturday and Sunday. Could be seen afternoon showers and storms. Again, Friday should be the rainiest of them before it warms up slightly Monday into Tuesday, back down to normal temperatures.